Hi people of the interweb, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ukachi. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the big red subscribe button that is below and notification bell beside it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome back home. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys maintenance tips and tricks on how to grow long, healthy hair with protective styles, just like my box braids. So without further ado, you know how we do. Let us get right into the video. Before we go into today's video, please calm down. Who is liking my new upcycle paper, newspaper kind of sort of backdrop? I'm actually really liking it. Something just cute and portable. So yeah, let's just get into today's video. We all know what a protective style is. Protective styles are styles we do to protect our hair so that we cause they're like usually they're meant to be low maintenance and low manipulation. You don't have to manipulate so much. So like right now, my hair is in protective styles. I mean, my hair is in yarn box braids and I actually cannot comb this. So I can't actually manipulate this so much. So this is actually like a protective style if I take care of it well enough. Okay. So we know that protective styles are actually not the only way for you to grow hair. You can grow your hair doing other things, but protective styles have proven to be an effective way of growing your hair. Because you retain length, because you don't touch your hair for like weeks on end. Like if you do a long-term protective style like this one, I'm going to have this in anywhere between 4 to 5 weeks. Long-term protective styles are, personally to me, they are styles you're having for 3 to 10 weeks. Once it's more than 10 weeks, in the hands of God, okay? But if my hair is going to be toxin for like 4 to 5 weeks and the average person's hair grows 0.5 inch per month, 0.5 of an inch a month, if my hair is toxin under this, I actually can't touch it. My hair is actually flourishing from my scalp and I'm not like causing any breakage. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, okay? So I already have a video about pros and cons of these actual yarn braids on this channel. I'm going to have a video linked at the top right corner, so please check that video out to know the pros and cons if you're considering like what protective style can I do, is it good enough. Check out the pros of yarn braid and cons of yarn braids, okay? So I'm going to divide this video into two, one part for like products and the second part for tips and tricks. So please grab your notes, grab your paper, get your jotter so you can jot things down and take things away, okay? Yeah, I had this style in for 2 weeks and 2 days. I intend to have them in for 4 weeks, 4 to 5 weeks, depending on how I'm feeling. And personally, the reason I'm actually going to take it down is so that I can wash my hair. I most likely will do this again, but I'm going to do like a shorter version, like bob braids, because I'm actually really loving the way it looks on my hair. Yeah, for the products you need for like taking care of or maintaining protective styles, you need just a couple of just a handful, just a few products, because this is actually low maintenance, guys. You don't have to spend any money or do anything extra. You don't have to buy shampoo or do anything. No, you don't need to do that, okay? So the first product I would recommend that you get is a moisturizing mist, a hair and scalp mist, or whatever. I actually own 4 at the moment and I've been using 2 regularly this month. The reason I will show you guys the 2 I actually own. The 4 I own the 2 I've been using constantly. The first mist I own is this from My Natural. They're a Nigerian brand. I've actually reviewed this on this channel, so please check out the review of this product, link at the top right corner, okay? So this one's actually done. This is actually done. The next mist I own is this from Kui. I've also reviewed this on my Instagram page, so you can always check out my Instagram and Natural Ukachi to see the review of this hair conditioning mist, this leave-in conditioning mist. This is actually a very good mist. If you are considering a mist to buy, this is actually a very good one to buy also. The 2 I've been using constantly this period of like my braids are this hair detangling spray from Sisiogi Naturals. I've also reviewed this on this channel. This is actually almost done, guys. I think I'm somewhere here. And I'm actually really liking it. In my review, I was not like so excited, but like right now I have my hair in like protective styles. This thing is literally saving my hair's life, okay? And the last one I'm using and I'm loving is this from Maphrodisiac by Marsh. This is their Lang Lang. I think that's how you pronounce that word. Rosewater and hibiscus hydrating hairspray. The reason why I'm actually using this is because this is actually a hair and scalp spray. It's not just a hair spray. The other 2 from Kui and My Natural are actually hair mists only, not hair and scalp. So that's the reason why I'm using this and this, because they are hair and scalp mist. The other 2 are just hair mists, okay? These two are like my faves at the moment because they're hair and scalp mists and they work wonders for my scalp and my hair, okay? This one is actually almost done. I actually went ahead to add water and tea tree oil to it because you guys know that water and tea tree oil is actually a DIY hairspray. So if you're considering like what hairspray can I do, can I use, can I do a DIY, water and tea tree oil, and that's just it, okay? So after like you have like your hair mist for like misting your hair and moisturizing your hair, the next thing you would need is a very good scalp oil. This is the scalp oil I'm using constantly this period. I'm going to have the DIY of this linked at the top right corner. I actually use this in my moisturizing, how I moisturize my protective style video. So you can check that video out to see like what exactly is inside this oil. But let me give you guys a tip. Peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and a couple of other stuff. Okay, so to know the couple of other stuff, click the card at the top right corner. Because also another reason why I'm actually using this is also to like seal in moisture, because when I spritz my hair with like the hairspray, I want to like trap in the goodness, okay? I really want to trap in the goodness and all that good stuff, okay? The next thing I'm also using this period is, you guys are going to be shooketh. The next I'm going to be showing you guys that I'm using is this virgin hair fertilizer. I'm going to have the video of how I show you guys how I use this in my hair normally and how I use it in my protective style linked at the top right corner. So please ensure you check that video out. I use this on my edges just to like give it the goodness to regrow and see the new growth, okay? See the new growth. I use it for like the front part of my sides and on my edges and see all the goodness, all the new growth, okay? And finally, the last thing I have that I'm using, I think it's something that like is essential for you, like it's not a need, it's just a want, just a side stuff, is an anti-itch spray. This is the anti-itch spray from Bellstar. If you know that you have very itchy scalp, you can actually consider trying this out. This actually helps to soothe your itching, guys. I'm not making this thing up. It has tea tree oil, menthol, peppermint oil, water, just a couple of good stuff just to soothe every form of itching. If your scalp is always itching you, please use this, okay? So another tip I would say, like once you apply these products here, please ensure you take out your time to massage this thing in your scalp. The way to stimulate, we prefer to do inversion method. It's way to use scalp massage. Use your fingers. Use either way. Make sure that you massage these products into your hair. You don't want to play yourself for like reduce the amount of growth you can acquire this period of protective styling, okay? And now for like people always ask, oh Kachi, how do you sleep with this hair? Me self, I don't know. You can use a satin bonnet if you like, if you're the kind of bonnet kind of person. I'm not a bonnet person, okay? I really don't care for bonnets as much as I care for satin scarves. I love me a good satin scarf, okay? So you need a very big scarf, but I think this is actually quite manageable for me. What I do is I actually use this to cover up my edges, because you want your edges to be protected, okay? Cover up my edges. Edges are covered up, and you can see that I'm talking my edges are constantly covered up. Where the scarf stops is sort of where my hair stops if I pack it. So like my hair is constantly being protected with the satin scarf. There's no hair at the end here, so I don't really need to have to protect this. There's no hair. My hair isn't this long, so like I don't have to protect anything here. There's no hair being needed to be protected here, okay? And if you say, oh, satin scarf does not work for satin bone does not work for you, my dear, they invented satin pillowcase in 2020. Grab it. Grab that satin pillowcase. Hey sister, get it. You can tie this scarf to your pillow or just get a satin pillowcase if you know that, oh, I'm not a scarf kind of person, I'm not a bonnet kind of person. Grab a pillowcase, okay? So my extra tip for like protective styling in general is make sure that your styles are not installed tightly. I said this in my DIY of how I did these braids myself. Link at the top right corner. Don't get them installed this style. I'll get it installed tightly because it's going to become a destructive style. Once your protective style is installed wrongly, it becomes a destructive style. It's no longer protecting anything. It's not protecting shit. It's destroying your hair, okay? Another tip I would say is don't rush and start styling your hair immediately. Calm down. Chill. Let the hair calm down. Let your scalp relax. Don't just say, today I'm going to style shuku, 2 shuku, 3 shuku, 5 shuku. Calm down, girl. You want to have hair after the protective style. You want to grow your hair long. Calm down. That's what I'll say is please don't scratch your scalp. Don't scratch your hair itching you. Don't scratch it. Instead I use an anti-itch spray, or you rub a hair oil on your hand and just rub lightly. Don't go in and start scratching and destroying. Your scalp is already going to be like in a very sore state because it's going to go so long without being washed and all that build up and all that stuff. Okay, but don't scratch it, just rub an oil on it. Just rub peppermint oil or tea tree oil, just rub it. It will stop itching you. It's not that serious. Okay, another tip I would say is always protect your hair, protect your edges, protect these babies. Moisture protect. Some people just abandon their hair. They don't moisturize, they don't do anything. Don't abandon your hair. I'm going to have my moisturizing video somewhere already linked in the cards previous, so please check out that video of how I moisturize these babies. Okay. Make sure that you moisturize your hair daily or as often as needed, and make sure you're sealing the moisture. Don't play yourself. If your hair is going to be dry, it's going to break off. Whether it's under yarn or under canecalon or under wig, once it's dry, it's breaking off. Okay, so some of my tips and tricks on how to grow long hair with protective styles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. Tell me what you learned in the comment section. Do you like protective style? Do you think it's just a waste of time? Do you think protective styles are scam? Tell me in the comments section. Please subscribe to my channel, share this content with your friends, and follow me across all social media platforms. I'm Natural Ukachi. I'm Natural Ukachi everywhere, including TikTok. Okay, I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember that God is watching you, so give God a beautiful show.